The 1960 Chrysler 300F, a spectacular car, convertible, finished in terracotta, super high quality restoration work. This is a gorgeous car. Look at the fins. Those are a monument to fins. I love them. And the tail lights, God, they really had it figured out styling wise. I just love this car. Again, super high quality. All that stainless is finished. It's really nice. Look at that. 4 bucket seats and the Astroglobe dash. My favorite dashboard in the world. This is really a great car. Runs great and looks beautiful. Do a little interior close-up here. We've got push button automatic transmission controls and mirror control. There's the top switched off to the left. That dashboard, that's so awesome. And the fan and heater, radio, window controls. This is really nice. The console goes all the way back. The end of the emblem. There's the big block Chrysler with cross ram, dual 4-barrel Carter carburetors. Look at that manifold. I mean, that is just awesome. And excellent finish, excellent fit. And a lot of the details. Look at the hood hinges. It's just nice. Just nice. Let's talk about the emergency brake on this car. So there is the warning light for emergency brake that it's engaged. There's the e-brake itself. And you pull out, there it goes. And this e-brake, it's important that it works because there is no park range on this transmission. So this e-brake works really good. So that's an important thing. And off we go. Drives real nice. It's a big car. Like a sunny day in a convertible.